What's up, Mavericks? AI isn't just writing blog posts and generating images, it's completely transforming how businesses communicate. The best VoIP systems today don't just connect calls, they listen, learn, and automate the little things that used to take up so much time. We're talking about real AI features, things like live call summaries, virtual receptionists that interact like humans, and routing that adapts to what customers actually say. In this video, we're counting down the best VoIP phone systems with AI features, from flexible DIY setups to full-blown platforms that can handle your calls, meetings, and team messaging. So let's get into it. If your business runs a busy customer support line or handles a high volume of calls every day, 8x8 is built for you. It's one of the few VoIP systems that's taken its contact center tech and gone all in on AI. The star here is 8x8's Intelligent Customer Assistant, a conversational AI that works across voice, chat, and SMS. It's multilingual, low code, and handles basic customer requests on its own. When a live agent steps in, 8x8's Agent Assist feeds them real-time contacts like call sentiment, key phrases, and even suggested responses. That means faster resolutions and less burnout for your team. You also get AI-driven analytics and 8x8 secure pay integration that lets customers complete transactions safely through AI with no human needed. 8x8 uses custom pricing, so you'll need to reach out for more details. It's best for call centers, help desks, and service teams that need to keep hundreds of calls organized and under control. And if you're serious about scaling a customer communication and want AI that works like a digital coworker, not just a fancy voicemail menu, 8x8 delivers. If you're tech savvy or want total control over your phone system, 3CX gives you a solid foundation. You can host it yourself or run it in the cloud. That flexibility is what makes it great for integrating your own AI tools. You won't get generative AI baked in out of the box, but 3CX works well with third-party AI assistants, CRMs, and chatbots. You can connect AI tools or custom voice bots to build smart routing, sentiment tracking, or automated responses that fit your workflow. It's not plug-and-play AI like the other options on this list, but it's perfect for businesses that want to experiment or have developers who can build something unique on an affordable phone platform. And there's even a free plan for up to 10 users, though upgrading unlocks the platform's full potential. Vonage's history is long, but today it's evolving into a serious AI-powered communications platform. The company's Vonage AI Studio lets you design conversational voice and chat experiences without writing code, so you can build an AI receptionist, create custom call flows, or automate lead follow-ups in just a few clicks. The AI virtual assistant handles routine calls and routes customers where they need to go, while the Vonage Conversation Analyzer uses natural language processing to pull insights from sales calls like customer sentiment, keywords, and follow-up actions. It's kind of like having a data analyst on every sales call. And all that sits on top of Vonage's strong VoIP and contact center platform, so it's ideal if your sales or service team spend a lot of time on calls and you want to use AI to speed up response times, spot opportunities, or even train your reps. Basic plans start at $19.99 per month per extension, depending on features, and scale up for teams that need analytics and advanced automation. AI Studio is available separately for businesses that need advanced automation or virtual agent tools. Now, before we jump into the top 3, don't forget to check out our full reviews for more details. I've dropped the links in our description. Okay, now back to our countdown. If you're already living in the Zoom ecosystem, Zoom Phone is the natural next step, and it's gotten way smarter thanks to Zoom AI Companion. Beyond the usual call recording and voicemail transcription, Zoom now gives you call summaries, auto notes, and a conversational AI receptionist, not the old press 1, press 2 menu. Zoom Phone lives in the same platform as meetings and chats, so your AI tools stay synced everywhere. And it's one of the most affordable picks on this list, with plans starting around $15 per user per month for the core system and AI features included with higher tiers. If your business relies on Zoom already, this is the most seamless way to bring real voice automation and meeting intelligence into one streamlined workflow. Nextiva has leaned hard into AI over the past year, and it shows. The Nextiva One platform connects voice, chat, and social conversations in one place, and now uses AI to power smarter routing and automatic summaries. One of the standouts is Nextiva's conversational AI, which lets customers speak naturally instead of pushing buttons. The AI recognizes intent, whether someone wants support, sales, or billing, and routes the call instantly to the right place. It also powers chatbots, transcription, and post-call summaries that feed directly into your CRM, so instead of your team manually entering call notes, everything's logged automatically. Nextiva keeps things clean and intuitive, but still packs serious enterprise-level automation. Pricing starts around $23 per user monthly for business communication plans, and depending on features can increase. It's a perfect fit for small to mid-sized businesses that want to look more professional, handle more volume, and still keep customer interactions personal. All right, topping our list is RingCentral, our pick for the best overall AI phone system. RingCentral is leading the pack in AI innovation. Its RingSense AI features go way beyond transcription. You get real-time summaries, keyword tracking, automatic note-taking, and sentiment analysis for both voice and video calls. It can even draft follow-up messages based on what was discussed in a meeting or a call. There's also an AI-powered receptionist that can handle incoming calls conversationally, and smart analytics that learn from your call history to optimize response times. What sets RingCentral apart is how deeply integrated its AI is across voice, video, and team messaging. You can pull insights from customer calls, create automatic follow-ups, and review meeting highlights without lifting a finger. Base pricing starts at $30 per user per month, with plans and add-ons available to build a system that works for you. If you want a platform that scales effortlessly and already has next-gen AI built in, RingCentral is the one to beat. And if you want to learn more, head to merchantmaverick.com/RingCentral to get started. AI in business phone systems isn't just a gimmick, it's the new standard. 8x8 is changing the way call centers operate. RingCentral and Nextiva are leading the way with deep AI integration. Zoom Phone bridges meetings and voice with automation that just works. Vonage gives sales and service teams smarter insights, and 3CX lets tech-minded businesses build their own custom solutions. Pick any of these and you'll save hours, wow your customers, and sound like you've got a full-time receptionist, even if it's just you and your laptop. If you want to see how these stack up, check out our full reviews. You can also find these and more options on our list of the best small business phone systems over at Merchant Maverick. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching, Mavericks, and I'll see you next time.